Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Verona lace stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 6 plus 2. I have already made 26 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to skip 2 chains, and then into this next one, we're going to make 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. So that's our first 2 double crochet into that chain, chain 2, and then we're going to make 2 double crochet into that same chain as that first set of double crochet. So now all together in that chain we have 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. Skip 2 chains, and then into this next one we're going to make a single crochet. So now we're going to start repeating from here. You're going to be skipping 2 chains, making this 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the next one, then skipping 2 chains and making a single crochet. So we're skipping 2 chains into this next one, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. Skipping 2 chains into this next one, make a single crochet by itself. Skip 2 chains into this next one, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. Skip 2 chains into this next one, make a single crochet. Skip 2 chains into this next one, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. When you have 3 chains left, you're going to skip 2 and then make 1 single crochet into that last chain to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 4 chains. These 4 chains count as a double crochet plus a chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make a double crochet. So all together, that's going to be a double crochet V with these chains counting as a double crochet plus chain and then a double crochet. You're going to make 1 chain, skip over to the next chain 2 space, and then make a single crochet into that space. Make 1 chain. Now we're going to skip over to the next previous single crochet. So these are double crochets, and right here in the middle is a single crochet. Into that stitch, we're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 2, and then 1 double crochet all into this stitch together. Make 1 chain to skip over to this next chain 2 space, make a single crochet into that space. Now we're going to start repeating this sequence from here. We're going to make a chain, then into any previous single crochet, we're going to make a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, make a chain, and then into any previous chain 2 space, we're going to make a single crochet. So make 1 chain. We're going to skip over to this next previous single crochet to make that double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Then make a chain to skip to this next chain 2 space, make a single crochet into that space. Make a chain, skip to the next single crochet, make a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet into that stitch. Make 1 chain, skip to this last chain 2 space, make a single crochet. Then make 1 chain. Now at the beginning we made a double crochet V-stitch with these chains and then this double crochet. So it was a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So into this last stitch of our row, we're going to make a double crochet V-stitch to match. So it's going to be a double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet all into that stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into the first previous chain 1 space, into this V stitch, you're going to make a single crochet. Row 3 is going to be similar to row 1, where we make these single crochet stitches in between these 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet stitches. So we're going to skip over to this next previous single crochet, which is this stitch right here, and we're going to be making that 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into that single crochet stitch. Now into this next V-stitch space, you're going to make a single crochet. And then into this next single crochet, you're going to make that 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Into this next V-stitch space, make a single crochet. Into this next single crochet, make that 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Into this next V-stitch space, make a single crochet. Into this next single crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And then into this last V-stitch space, remember these chains counted as a double crochet and then a chain 1 to make a double crochet V-stitch. Into that space, make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Verona lace stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.